Alright guys, so some of you may be asking, where has Maxi been? So I'm making this video to show you guys, to tell you guys that I have really been busy with school stuff and it has really been taking so much of my time and I haven't been getting much time to make videos for you guys. But what I made this video for is to tell you guys that I am actually back on YouTube and I'll be making videos for you guys at least 3 times in a week. That is the least that I can do. So guys, welcome to today's YouTube video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I am your host for today. My name is Maxi and I would like to introduce myself. I make most of my money online, and what I do right here on YouTube is that whenever I find something that works for me, I come right here and I make video for you guys to show you guys how to do this, and hoping that you can replicate what I do and make some money for yourself from the internet. Right, so as you can see from the thumbnail, today's video says how to get an abroad account right here from Nigeria or wherever in the world you are. How to get an account that can make transactions with the USD, which is the United States dollars, an account that can make transactions with the euros, an account that can make transactions with the Great Britain pound. So as I did earlier, I showed you guys how to open a PayPal account, and I brought up some opportunities on how to make money, and you can also like get paid with a PayPal account. Because the first thing that you need to know before venturing into any online business is to know, how do I take this money out? So that's why I always drop the payment method first, how to go about it before I drop the good stuff. So this is just to show you guys that you should anticipate. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, and say let's get that money or let's get that account created. All right, so guys, I want you guys to comment on these videos because your comments is what brings traffic for me. All right, this is what shows people that yes, people like this video. It shows YouTube, and then they recommend these videos to people that will be needing these videos. All right, so make sure that when you watch this video, make sure you drop a comment and smash that like button. Please guys, make sure you smash that like button. All right, so we're going to proceed to my phone screen now, where I'm going to be walking you guys step by step. All right, so now before I proceed, I would like to talk about like how this account actually works. So when you sign up on the platform, which I'm going to be showing you guys, when you sign up on the platform, you're going to be given an account that is going to be able to accept these foreign currencies. And the best part is that they pay to your local bank. So wherever in the world that you are, is in Nigeria, is in Africa, is in Europe, or wherever you are, if you want this particular bank from the first world countries like the US, the UK, and top European countries, you are going to be needing this site, you are going to be needing this app. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download it from Play Store, or if you want to be using the web method, you can actually use it. So guys, I think I've said too much, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Right, don't leave without subscribing. So I'm planning to go from 0 to 1k subscribers. I'm currently at 210 subscribers, so please guys, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. All right, let's head to my phone screen. Alright guys, so now that we are on my phone screen, the first thing that you want to do is to go to your Chrome browser and go to a site called Payoneer.com. But before we go to the site, I want to bring to your awareness that there is actually a Telegram group. There's actually a Telegram group where it's more like a base, and I will be doing giveaway in the Telegram group when we get to 100 members. Right now I think there are about 20 members there. So if you know you are active on Telegram, make sure you join the group so as not to miss out on this giveaway. So when we get to 100 members, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I just wanted to bring that to your notice. And the Telegram group, the link will be in the description, and also if you are new here, you can just hit the subscribe button. All right, so now head over to your Chrome and go to search and type in Payoneer.com, or you can just write Payoneer, and it's going to take you to Payoneer. And what we have to do is to sign up. So we come over here and click on Payoneer. So Payoneer, some of you guys, I know you're familiar with this, and some of you're not familiar. So I'm going to be walking you guys through on what Payoneer actually does and how they actually perform. So click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, I think you're going to see a place where it says sign up. All right, so this is it. So click on sign up as per we are new to it. So we're going to walk through the registration and then how to get our account number and how to get our Payoneer account verified. So we're not going to be wasting much of our time on this video, and since it's just about account creation, so Make sure you watch to the end because there are some things I'm going to be talking about this, and if you don't watch it, you're going to be making a mistake, or you're going to finally lose your funds because you don't actually know how this thing works. So as you are here right here, this is the same platform. This is how it's going to look on your laptop, on your phone, whichever one you're using to complete this sign up process. So what you have to do is to click on freelancer, and then it says let's find the right account for your needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. So it says I am looking to get paid by international client or freelance marketplace. So click on international clients. So now as you can see, it says the right account for you is freelancer agency or service provider. So now click on register, and it's going to take us to the place where we're going to fill in our details. And when we fill in our details, we are going to proceed to get our account verified and get our login and get our account number for the different foreign currencies. So now as it says individual or company. So select individual. My business isn't registered. We don't want them to know that we don't have any registered company, so we just click on individual. So now it says fill in the fields in English characters only. So fill in your first name. Your first name should be, just fill in, I'm going to fill in a random name. And alright, so I'm going to be filling my name and then my email address. I'm going to fill an email that I've not used before. I'm not going to be completing the sign up process just because I don't want to have multiple Payoneer accounts. So alright, date of birth, fill in your date of birth there, and then click on next. So it's going to take you, alright, it says I'm at least 18 years old. So fill in your date of birth. My date of birth is actually March 26, so this is my birth month. So wish me a happy birthday in the comment section if you love me and if you love what I'm doing here. So guys, thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I thank you guys for those that message me on WhatsApp, for those that message me on Facebook, on Instagram. Thank you guys for actually reaching out to me. So it said we only allow one account per person. I don't think I've used this email to create an account before, but let me actually verify this, and then okay, let me use another email address. I don't know what's actually wrong with that one. So let me use another email address. Alright, so let's click on, oh, are you sure this is not a glitch? I think this is a glitch, so I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I don't know if I should use a temporary email address. Alright guys, let me go get a temporary email address and I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, so I'm back with the temporary email or the disposable email. It is actually an email that has an expiry date, so there's actually a way of getting things like this done. So I'm going to be clicking on next, and then you're going to be taken right here to this place where it says fill in your contact details. So make sure you fill in the correct contact details because you'll be verifying your account with an official document from your country. So whichever country you're from, make sure you fill in the country. I'm from Nigeria, so Nigeria is here. Make sure you fill in your street number, your address, put in your city, put in your zip and postal code. So how to get zip and postal code? Just head over to Google and type in your location and add zip code. So if you are staying in Lagos, just write Lagos zip code. So you're going to get it and you're going to come here and post it. So fill in your phone number and they're going to send you a verification code. When they send the verification code, what you have to do is to fill it here. So as you can see, 392968. So just fill it there, 392968. So when you're done, you click on next, and then it is going to take us to this place where it says security details. So this is step 3 or 4, and then it says put in your username. Your username should be your email address, and then put in password. Put in any password which you are not going to be forgetting. So I'm going to put in my password now. So it says a security question. Select the best security question that works for you, and then when you select the one that you're not going to forget, you just proceed. Alright, so I'm going to be selecting anyone here because I'm not going to be saving this Payoneer account, so I'm going to discard it at the final stage where it says finalize. So I think make sure you select what you know you are not going to forget. Alright, so when you select the security question, you have to go ahead and drop in the answer to the security question there. So I just put in anything that I can see there. So now this says you may be asked to verify the security answer for account verification or to reset your password. So make sure, guys, you don't forget your account security question. So ID details, select Nigeria, which is the country of issuing ID. Whatever country that you know you have the verified ID, make sure you select it here. So the ID type, you can select anyone. It could be a national ID, a driving license, or a passport. So whichever one you have, make sure you select it here. And if you don't have, just pick anyone from here and go and get your national ID if you actually need a Payoneer account, because you already know the usefulness of this Payoneer account is what you are going to be using to get payments, to get paid across the world. So if you are liking what I'm dropping already, you can just hit the subscribe button, drop in a comment, smash that like button, and turn on notifications. Alright guys, make sure you turn on notifications so that whenever I drop videos like this, you are going to be the first to get notified and rush in here to watch it and know what is happening. Alright, so right now it says put in your national ID. So whichever one you put, I think there's a special number there that you have to put in. So this is the ID number. If it's a national ID, put in your national ID here. If it's a passport, there's a passport ID, so put it here. So now it says why do I provide my ID? You can go ahead to read this and understand why they are actually asking for your ID number. So now it says enter the code below. So this is the code. It says HRJ55. So just put in, and when you put it in, HRJ55. So now I'm just going to put in a random number here, and then I will click on next. So it's an invalid captcha. Let me put it again. So NCUB2. I think this will be it. So now we're going to take us to the final stage where it says almost done. So now it says please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to you or your company. So personal account, you can see the bank country is Nigeria, the currency is NGM, because I actually selected Nigeria. So whichever country you selected, you're going to see your currency here, and then you can put in your local bank. This is something that you can do once, you can change it later on. So make sure you put in that bank that you can use to receive your payment. They are going to do the conversion for you automatically at the standard conversion rate. So guys, that's just it. So you click on agree, I agree, the terms and conditions, and then click on submit, and you have your Payoneer account ready. And then what you have to do is to log in to your Payoneer account. So I told you guys that I'm not going to be saving this one, so we just have to step in and go into my main account, where I'm going to be showing you guys how to go through the platform or how to go through the website and understand how things are done there. So now I believe that's that for the account creation, and then let's go over to the app. Alright guys, so in the first stage where we click on this sign up to go and start creating an account, so just head over to Google and type in Payoneer again, and you're going to see login, and you are going to be right here on this page. So you already have your email, you have your password. So what you just have to do now is to click on your email, put in your password, and click on sign in, and I'm going to take you straight into your account, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the account number. So guys, if you're liking what I'm dropping here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, these are the things that motivate me to make more video for you guys. Alright, please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and drop a comment like get that Payoneer money, get that Payoneer account created, or wish me a happy birthday or something. Just say something in the comment section. Alright, so these are the things that gives me more activity on YouTube, and it actually helped me boost my morale to make more videos for you guys. Alright, so as you can see, my account is actually set up. This is the USD, this is the Euro, and this is the GBP. So all these accounts that you see here, they have separate account numbers for each and every one of them. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually do it. So as you can see, I click on the USD, and you can see this is withdraw. If you actually have funds here, you click on withdraw, and you get your money out. So now if you need an account number to actually receive money, you just have to come here to click on receiving account, and then you're going to get an account number already. So guys, when you log in, you're not going to be seeing an account number there. I'm going to show you guys what you need to do in order to get your account number. So as you can see, this is my USA account number. It says First Century Bank 1731 L St. Commerce GA USA something, and then this is the account number. This is the account type. Checking Mark Okechukwu is my beneficiary name. So as you can see right here from Nigeria, I have a USA bank account. So is that not awesome, guys? So now it says account details used for local bank transfer within the US in USD. Via the payment from personal bank account will be declined. Payment made from a bank account to your name will be declined. Wire transfers are not supported. So now these are just the things that are not supported, but these are the only things that are supported. So now we already have the account number, we have the account details. So now let's go and check the others, or let's just proceed. So not make this video too long, it's actually the same thing. When you click on all the accounts that you can see here, you are actually going to see all of them like that. So let's go back to home. And so guys, when you actually click on this thing, the same thing you saw there, how to withdraw, how to get your account number, is the same thing there. So there's no need going back there. So now, how to get your account, how to get that account, because when you sign up, when you sign in, sorry, you are not going to see this here. It's going to be blank. So you have to go for security. There are some things they have to tell you to submit, like those like your national ID, the one that you put in the number. They are going to tell you to scan it or take a snapshot or something and send to them. So that's just what you have to do. And when you are done, they're going to send you an email to tell you that yes, you have been verified. So guys, I'm going to be showing you my transactions, things that I've actually done with this payment platform, like how I've received money, how I've sent money out to my local bank, and also the platform that have actually paid me about £200, and how I made it for free without paying money for anything. Is actually a survey site. I'm going to be showing you guys, because that's also going to be coming in my next video. Those are the things that I'm going to be uploading here on my YouTube. So this is why I always tell you guys to always watch till the end of the video, because there are some things that you won't like to be missing. Some things that I'm going to be saying, like I'm actually working on some things, like why I've not been posting some videos on my YouTube, because I actually work on things that I've tested and I've seen results. So I don't just post things that I want you to go and test by yourself and then come back with your own result. I need to test these things for you guys, so that you won't be misled or misdirected to any platform or anything that won't be beneficial to you. So guys, make sure you stick to my channel, subscribe, turn on that notification so that you get notified whenever I post videos. Share these videos, drop comments, drop a like button, smash the like button, sorry. And now let's proceed to my transactions. And as you can see, this is the GBP, and I'm going to be proceeding to GBP transactions. So now what I'm going to do here now is to click on the funnel, this funnel symbol here, and I'm going to select the date range and put in past year, because I've actually not been working on the platform since last year when I stopped, because I've been like busy with some of my. So now, as you can see, this is everything that has happened here. This is 50 50 50 50. So about I think this is 150 GBP. Okay, this is 150 GBP. So as you can see, this is actually working. I was paid from Populous Data Solutions. It is a survey site, and I withdrew to my Guaranteed Trust Bank, which is GTB in Nigeria, right here. So they did the conversion rate and everything. So let me click on the transaction so that you can actually see what happened. So it says minus 50 GBP. I was paid 27,000 naira, and as you can see, it is actually something that is legit. So now guys, make sure you get your Payoneer account created, because I'm going to be dropping videos, I'm going to be dropping more content, and how you can be making money and how you can actually collect this money. I'm working on CPA marketing, I'm working on surveys, and I'm going to be uploading those videos right here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you stay subscribed and stay blessed. We're going to see you on the next video, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.